Hello duckies, Andy Liffey here. You have clicked on this video because you have updated OBS and you have problems with your setup. Especially as OBS 28 has just released, there are compatibility issues with plugins and some other bits and bobs too. So never fear, Uncle Andy is here. I'm going to help you downgrade OBS to the previous version so you can get back to creating your incredible content. We will also make sure you don't lose anything at all too. You know, safety first, duckies. Make sure if the video has helped you, then be sure to let myself and YouTube know by tippity tapping that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any streaming secrets and tips. Let's get into this bad boy. Put your rockin' for the stone. So, as you can see here, I am running OBS 28, but I have compatibility issues with my plugins, and I desperately need to update these plugins for my stream to work. One of these plugins is actually today's video sponsor, Own.pro. Yeah, did you know they have an OBS plugin? Download it. It's free. This portion of the video has been sponsored by Own.pro. Own.pro have every single thing that you could possibly need for your stream in one place. It even goes above and beyond having actually partnered with Epidemic Sound for all your royalty-free music and sounds. You can also get access to over 600 overlays and alert packages. And you know what's even better? You can save yourself an absolute beastly 50% off using offer code Andy50Pro. And all purchases will help the channel out massively. All the links are in the description. Thanks Own.pro for sponsoring this portion of the video. Let's get this OBS downgraded. All we need to do is go to the OBS GitHub page, link in the description. On the releases part of the website, we can scroll down to the version we want to download. So I'm going to get OBS 27.2.4, open the assets drop-down menu, choose the operating system version that is right for you. If it's Windows, I always recommend using the installer. So I'll get the 64-bit version of OBS downloaded. This bit is for anyone that is worried about losing anything in their current OBS setup. We can actually back up your scenes and settings. If you jump into OBS, go to File, then select Show Settings folder, we can copy the whole folder to somewhere else on the computer. This contains everything to do with OBS, your scenes, profiles, and settings. The file path for this folder is usually got to by using the search on your computer and typing in %appdata% and hitting enter. If you aren't seeing it there, it could mean you are running OBS in portable mode. So just check the folder where you have OBS installed. If you want to learn more about OBS portable mode, check out this video up here. I'll leave the link in the description as well. Once all that is backed up, we can now go and open the installer we downloaded. Just go through all the steps. You will get an error if you have OBS currently open, so make sure you have closed OBS and it is not running. Next, make sure the install path is correctly pointing towards where you have OBS installed, then watch the fun happen. We can then open OBS and you will see everything is now being rolled back to version 27.2.4. So all our plugins are working. For any reason, if you aren't seeing your scenes or anything, then you can follow the steps we did for copying the backup and then paste them back into that app data folder. Something important to note is if you have updated to OBS 28 and you updated your plugins, they will no longer work at all with older versions of OBS. This means you will need to download older versions of the plugins that aren't built for OBS 28 from the OBS plugin page on the OBS forum. You can then copy and paste the contents into your OBS Studio install folder and just tell it to replace the contents. This will downgrade your plugins so they are compatible with OBS 27. Now you are all ready to tackle the world of streaming again. Simple duckies. If this has helped you out, then help me out by tapping that like button and subscribing so you don't miss any streaming life-saving tips in future. A big thanks to all the people that helped me make this content free for you. You can also get your name down with these incredible people by joining either Coffee or Patreon, as it will go a huge way to supporting the channel. A big huge shout out to Bongo, Fever Team, Marcus Vasquez and Romulo Souza for being my top supporters. I genuinely could not do this without you guys. If you want to see the video I did on OBS 28, then click here. And if you want to see my playlist on everything to do with streaming, then click here. See you over there. Put your rockin' for the stone.